In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invoice using Canva for Business. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, creating professional invoices is an essential part of your operations. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly design your own invoices with Canva. To get started, you'll first need to head over to Canva. Open your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. If you already have a Canva account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard, which is the starting point for all your designs. Next, direct your attention to the center of the dashboard. You'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type the word Invoice. This will show you a range of invoice templates that Canva offers. Using a template can significantly ease your workflow as they provide a pre-designed structure that you can customize according to your needs. Upon searching for invoices, go through the results and select a template that suits your business style. Canva offers a variety of both free and premium templates, so make sure to select a free one if you're working within a budget. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to get a closer look. Once you're viewing the template, look for the Customize this Template button and click it. This is where the fun begins, as it takes you into Canva's design editor where you can start personalizing your invoice. Now it's time to make this template truly your own. Start by changing the name on the invoice to match your company's name or your personal business name. This adds a personal touch and ensures the invoice aligns with your brand. Next, it's important to include contact details. Enter your business address where indicated on the template. This information not only gives your invoice a professional appearance, but also ensures that your clients have all the necessary contact information. With the basics down, it's time to add the specific items or services provided. List each item or service that you are charging for clearly on the invoice. Clarity here helps avoid any potential misunderstandings. After listing your items, include the total cost for each, and calculate the overall total. This step ensures clients have a detailed understanding of the bill and amount due. To facilitate payment, be sure to include a payment method. You might also want to add bank details below the payment method, which can help streamline the payment process for your clients. Finally, don't forget to include an authorized signature. This should be a digital signature to authenticate the document and express your approval of its contents. And that's it! You've just created a professional invoice using Canva for Business. With this process, you're well equipped to efficiently generate invoices that reflect your brand and improve your business transactions.